How to add multiple photos on Snapchat story. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application and then there tap on this camera rolls and tap on camera rolls. And here you just have to tap and hold for some time and then you'll be able to select multiple photos, and here you just have to choose those photos which you want to post on your story. After selecting all the photos, at the bottom right corner of your screen you just have to tap on this send icon, and here you will have two options. One that is you can share your story with friends only, or you'll be able to share your Snapchat story on public where friends, followers, and everyone can see your story. So you can simply choose any one of the option as per your suitability, and after that you just have to tap on OK. And the last tip what you have to do is at the bottom right corner of your screen tap on this icon and your story will be added, and all these photos will be added to your Snapchat story. So that's how you can add videos as well. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.